Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the correct mesh for the job and prepping it so it behaves. You wash and dry to remove coatings, then press on low heat to flatten. This prevents puckering. Once done, mark a 1/2 seam allowance and use a rotary cutter with a metal ruler for a clean, straight edge. You need steady pressure. Mesh shifts easily, so weigh the fabric down or use clips instead of pins to avoid distortion as you cut. You now assemble and stitch carefully. Mesh needs stabilization. Once the pieces are aligned, apply a tearaway backing or wash-away stabilizer to support stitches and prevent holes. Make sure to use a narrow zigzag or micro straight stitch so the seam retains flexibility. Too long a stitch will snag. When joining panels, sew slowly, guiding fabric without stretching, and reinforce corners and load-bearing. You finish raw edges immediately to prevent fraying and to keep the mesh shape. Choose binding, a folded hem, or a serged edge depending on appearance and strength needed. Press gently after finishing. Once done, remove any remaining stabilizer and test the final fit and tension in real use. If you see puckers or snags, loosen the top tension, switch to a finer ballpoint or microtex needle, and resew a short section. This quickly resolves the most common mesh problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.